Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Audit. Ever have one of those days where it feels like you're constantly solving tiny, annoying problems? It's easy to feel like modern life comes with a side of hassle. In this video, we're counting down 10 genius Amazon gadgets you can actually buy right now. No concept designs, no vague crowdfunding campaigns. Just real, clever tools that solve real problems and make everyday life a little smarter. All the links to check out these products for yourself are in the description below and in the first pinned comment, so be sure to check those out. Let's get into it. First up is a tool that literally lets you see the world in a whole new way, the Andonstar AD246S M+ digital microscope. This isn't your childhood microscope. It's a professional-grade inspection system that's incredibly versatile. What makes it special is the 3-lens system. You get lens L for detailed soldering work at 60 to 240x magnification, lens A for general inspection of things like coins and plants at 18 to 728x, and lens D for extreme close-ups of biological slides at up to 2040x magnification. But here's where it gets really impressive. The UHD 2160p resolution and HDMI output let you view everything on a large monitor, turning this into a powerful workstation. The recent upgrades include an extension base that increases your workspace by 230%, complete with storage boxes, tool holders, and helping hands to keep everything organized. Whether you're repairing electronics, inspecting collectibles, or just exploring the microscopic world, this all-in-one kit gives you professional capabilities right out of the box. Next up is a gadget for anyone who spends long hours on their feet, the Nekteck Shiatsu foot massager. After a tough day, this thing is an absolute lifesaver. It combines 3 therapeutic technologies into one smart device. First, the deep-kneading Shiatsu rollers mimic the thumbs of a professional masseuse, working out tension and soreness in your soles. Then, the air compression system gently squeezes your feet at 2 intensity levels to boost circulation. And finally, the soothing heat function helps to relax tired muscles even further. What's really practical is the detachable washable foot covers because hygiene is important. It's also HSA and FSA eligible, making it a smart investment in your wellness. Just a quick note, if you have larger feet, you'll want to select the large version for the best fit. At number 3, we have a gadget that brings genuine smart home magic to any room, the SwitchBot automatic curtain opener. Imagine waking up to sunlight gently streaming in as your curtains open automatically, or closing them for movie night without leaving the couch. This device makes it incredibly simple. The 2025 model features an enlarged guide wheel that handles bumps on the rod with ease, and it's surprisingly powerful with an 8-kilogram load capacity. Installation is tool-free. You just attach it to your existing curtain rod, set up the positioning magnets, and you're done. You can control it via the app, set schedules, or use voice commands with Alexa or Google Home if you have a SwitchBot hub. A dedicated silent mode operates below 25 dB, perfect for bedrooms. If you have 2-panel curtains, you'll need 2 units, but the transformation to an automated home is absolutely worth it. At number 4, we have a gadget that's like a fountain of youth for your favorite clothes, the Magictec Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. We've all had that favorite sweater or pair of leggings that starts looking old and worn out because of those little annoying fuzzballs or pills. This device instantly shaves them away, making fabrics look new again. It uses a sharp 3-blade system beneath a protective stainless steel mesh to safely and efficiently remove pills, lint, and fuzz from sweaters, upholstery, and even plush toys. The powerful motor and suction pull all the debris into a wide, removable lint storage container, so there's no mess. It's rechargeable, getting about 60 minutes of use from a 2-hour charge, and it's compact enough for travel. For anyone who wants to extend the life of their wardrobe and keep fabrics looking fresh, this is a total game changer that pays for itself. At number 5, we have a gadget that completely reimagines one of the most basic tools in your toolbox, the HOZO NeoRulerGO digital tape measure. If you've ever struggled with a flimsy tape measure that won't stay extended for long measurements, or tried and failed to measure something curved, this is the solution you've been waiting for. This isn't just a digital ruler, it's a full-featured measurement system that fits in your pocket. You simply roll it along any surface, straight, circular, or even completely irregular, and it instantly gives you a precise reading with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter. It has 93 built-in scales and can switch between units like inches, feet, and metric with a tap. Through the Bluetooth app, you can transfer measurements directly to CAD software, which is a huge time saver for designers and engineers. For any DIY project, home renovation, or professional work, this little gadget makes measuring anything incredibly simple and accurate. At number 6, we have a gadget that transforms your smartphone into a professional filmmaking rig, the SmallRig Universal Phone Cage. If you're serious about mobile content creation, this is the upgrade you need. This rugged aluminum cage fits most smartphones from the latest iPhones to Samsung Galaxies and Google Pixels. But the real magic is in the expansion. It features multiple cold shoe mounts and quarter-inch threads to attach professional accessories like microphones, video lights, and even external monitors. The dual side handles provide incredible stability for dynamic shots, and the anti-slip silicone ensures a secure grip. Everything locks together to create a complete filmmaking system that turns your phone into a legitimate production tool. Whether you're shooting vlogs, short films, or product reviews, this cage gives you that professional, stable footage without the bulk of traditional camera gear. At number 7, we have a gadget that solves one of the most common hosting dilemmas, the Wanish electric warming tray. How many times have you worked hard to prepare a great meal for family or friends, only to have the food go cold before everyone gets to enjoy it? This sleek rectangular warming mat is the perfect solution. Made of durable, tempered glass with elegant gold handles, this tray provides a large, consistent heating surface that can keep 6 to 8 dishes warm simultaneously. With just 2 temperature settings, a high 284F for main dishes and a low 104F for more delicate items, you can ensure everything stays at the perfect serving temperature throughout your gathering. What's really clever are the safety features. The handles stay cool to the touch, it has overheat protection, and it's incredibly energy efficient. Beyond parties, it's versatile enough for proofing dough, warming baby bottles, or even just keeping dinner hot for late family members. It's the ultimate host's helper that takes the stress out of serving warm food to a crowd. At number 8, we have a gadget that delivers big screen entertainment from your phone without any power or complicated setup, the Fanlory mobile phone magnifier projector screen. This clever device uses simple optical physics to amplify your phone's display up to a 20-inch viewing area. It's incredibly straightforward. Just unfold the lightweight screen, place your phone on the adjustable stand, and you get an instant, larger-than-life viewing experience. The screen is designed to protect your eyes from blue light, reducing strain during long movies or shows. The folding design makes it perfect for travel. Toss it in your bag for movie nights in hotels, during camping trips, or just for enjoying content in bed. While it works best from 2 to 3 meters away in dimmer lighting, it's an affordable, portable way to make any smartphone feel like a personal theater. At number 9, we have a gadget that puts advanced heart health monitoring right in your pocket, the AliveCor KardiaMobile 6L. This isn't a fitness tracker, it's an FDA-cleared medical-grade personal EKG device that can give you crucial data about your heart rhythm in just 30 seconds. What sets the 6L apart is its ability to capture a 6-lead EKG, which provides a much more detailed view of your heart's activity compared to the single-lead EKGs found on smartwatches. It can detect irregular rhythms like atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, and tachycardia, and you can instantly share the results with your doctor. No subscription is needed for the core features, and its compact size means you can take it anywhere. For anyone managing a heart condition or even just for the health-conscious wanting deeper insight, this device offers incredible peace of mind. Wrapping up our list at number 10 is a gadget that offers a major upgrade to anyone who suffers from allergies, sinus issues, or just the common cold, the Navage nasal irrigation system. If the idea of a neti pot seems messy and intimidating, this is the 21st century solution. What sets Navage apart is its powered rinse and suction technology. Instead of relying on gravity, it uses a gentle vacuum to pull the saline solution through one nostril and out the other, effectively flushing out allergens, mucus, and irritants. The result is a feeling of profound relief in just about 30 seconds. The system is brilliantly designed for ease and hygiene. The pre-measured salt pods eliminate any mixing or mess, and the 3 different nose pillow sizes ensure a comfortable, sealed fit for anyone. It's a cleaner, safer, and smarter way to get drug-free sinus relief, making those congested days a whole lot more manageable. And that's our list of 10 genius Amazon gadgets you can actually buy right now. From health tech and home automation to creative tools and simple life hacks, Each one of these is designed to solve a real problem and make your life a little bit easier and a lot more interesting. If you're ready to upgrade your daily routine, all the product links are organized for you in the description below. I'm curious, which one of these are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments and tell me if there's another genius gadget we should check out for a future video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.